I'm going to show you how to replace the idler pulley on this Ram 1500. This happens to have the 3.6 liter V6 engine. If you need any parts for your vehicle, you can get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. We're going to take the serpentine belt off, just using a ratchet for the tensioner, or if you have a belt tensioner tool, you can use that as well. Take the tension off the belt, just slide the belt off where the idler is and the alternator, and release the tension on the tensioner. Just slide the belt out of the way. Using a 13mm socket, take the bolt off for the idler pulley. Take the bolt out and the idler. The bolt out, put in the new idler. Get that lined up. Make sure it spins good. And I'll torque that to 18 foot-pounds. Slide the belt back in place over the pulleys. Take the tension off the tensioner. Go over the alternator first, then over the idler. Just make sure the belt is around all the pulleys. And make adjustments if needed. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.